we're gonna do is just make one last cast, and we got my buddy at the dock, kind of my partner, a good friend of mine, Paul Hilson. We're gonna meet up with him and hopefully get some big fish here. We're gonna hit some of our big fish spots and really just try and get something big in the boat. So.
These things are phenomenal.
First cast. Me and my buddy Paul, very first cast, he lands this nice fish. Oh, dude, that's the nicest fish of the day.
It's little. This bait.
Oh yeah.
This fish is little. They cannot resist this. That's
Dude, that's
nice
awesome.
Little one.
Dude, look at that snake, dude. How long is that? Like 10 inches?
11 and a half inch
11 and a half inches.
And I throw it on a 7/0 hook. It's just a big fish bait. Anything big like this, they'll tear it up.